Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic in Velocity. This is a 3 litre diesel. It's previously only had one owner. As you can see, you have 21-inch alloy wheels. You also have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for personal items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. And going round and into the front, you also have keyless entry, illuminated Range Rover script tread plates, and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day to open, or just if you want some fresh air. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl. Or you can push it back down for auto. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter. And you do also have heated seats in the back too, ensuring all passengers are happy. Eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard, and you can also see your history. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control, which are all helpful when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, along with memory seats, ideally for several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 35,978 miles. You do also have electrically folding wing mirrors, which is perfect if you're in a tight space, which saves them getting damaged. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.